younger and middle-aged women, right? But here's the thing, you okay? Are you having, should I call a paramedic? Are you hiccuping? Or is that a laugh? Are you okay? Pardon? She has a condition. Oh, fucking of course. What else is going on with this girl? Can you, sir, what's her condition?
No, sorry. Just the audience, you're funny, but the audience is really bringing a lot tonight, I feel like.
I mean, it's really true. I'm nothing without you. Since the moment I stepped on stage, you guys have been bringing it. You've been serving knees, you've been being childless and having 3 children.